All right.
Ready?
Okay.
And be quiet.
Quiet now.
Be quiet. Okay.
Don't say who it is.
Who is it, Justin?
You can't. Just guess. You gotta guess who it is.
Who?
Now that I think about it.
Julia.
Oh, she doesn't know.
I'll give you a clue.
No.
Who is it, Julia?
Steven.
Who is it? No, Romy, just stay back a minute. Who is it, Steven? It's somebody very flat.
Who is it, Steven?
It's not me. Don't say it. Don't say it. Justin, don't say it.
What do you think?
Let's see.
Who's not here?
Is that here?
Wait, Roman. Wait.
Well, obviously he doesn't miss this person too much.
I knew this would be a good one.
Who is it, Steven?
Who's not here?
No. I think it's a person who I don't know which name it is.
No, you know this person's name.
Just,
This person is very close to you.
Who are we missing, Steven?
who is it, Steven? Look around. There you go.
And then...
Who's missing?
Okay.
Remember who you came with.
So who's missing?
What? Or whatever you call it.
5 hours later. Okay, who is it?
I don't know.
Yes.
Steven!
Who came here with us?
Who is in your car, Steven?
Who is in our car?
Fine.
Yeah.
That's who it is.
Who is it, Lauren?
I'm playing.
Got your tongue, Lauren?
Your daddy was playing a trick on you, honey.
I'm just saying the